Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DocuWare for AI document classification automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the DocuWare login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. On the login page, you'll see fields for your credentials. In the first field, enter your username. In the second field, input your password. Double-check that you've entered both your username and password correctly. Once verified, locate the Login button on the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. After logging in, you'll be taken to the DocuWare dashboard. Navigate to the section specifically for AI document classification. Look for the Settings or Integrations menu. Here, you may need to enable AI document classification if it's not already active. Follow any additional prompts to set up AI classification tools. Review the available options for customizing your AI settings. Once configured, save your changes to ensure they take effect. Now, proceed to upload documents you want classified. Click on the Upload button and select the documents from your device. Wait for the files to upload completely. After uploading, choose the classification rules you wish to apply. Start the classification process by clicking the appropriate button. Monitor the progress on the dashboard to ensure everything runs smoothly. Review the results once the classification is complete. Make any necessary adjustments to enhance accuracy. You have now successfully logged into DocuWare and set up AI document classification automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.